If you've seen the movie Minority Report, maybe you remember how the main character controlled objects on a transparent screen hung in midair, moving them around as he pleased with both hands. Well, did you ever imagine that something like that could soon be a reality in our daily lives? Today we're going to introduce a prospective mid-sized company striving to make such fantasies a reality for the world. It's Nexio, which is a company which owns core technology for multi-screens. Let's begin this week's IK Spotlight.
Cheonggyecheon has become a popular relaxation spot for Seoulites. However, Cheonggyecheon's environment has recently been transformed into a ubiquitous high-tech environment. A good example is the information screen installed in the Cheonggye Plaza. The screen adopts a new multi-touch technology and allows people to access various information with the touch of their finger. The technology of the multi-touch screen, which has made Cheonggyecheon's environment into a ubiquitous one, was made possible by Nexio. We take a closer look at the company's investment points. Apple's iPhone, the hottest global trend right now, is based on multi-touch technology, which recognizes the touch of more than two fingers. As multi-touch screens are quickly popularized, mid to large-scale touch screens, which are bigger than 40 inches, are also turning multi. Nexio is a company which produces touch panels, which make multi-touch possible. The company owns the core technology, which allows the screen to precisely recognize coordinates and areas, even when several objects touch the screen at the same time.
IR 방식의 멀티터치 스크린은 저항 방식은 한 터치밖에 안 되는데 저희들은 여러 개 동시가 또는 면적이 터치가 가능하고요. 또 저항 방식은 크기에 어느 정도 제약이 따릅니다. 하지만 저희들은 100인치 그 이상의 큰 사이즈도 충분히 만들어낼 수가 있는 것입니다.
The touchscreen panels manufactured by Nexio are based on an infrared system. The infrared system is more efficient for multi-touch compared to pressure or capacitance systems and can read coordinates more precisely. However, the coordinates could still be scattered by other lights. After extensive research, Nexio completed an error correction method so that only certain signals may be received through frequency modulation. Also, the infrared technology allows for activation regardless of the material of the screen, so it can easily be installed onto a former screen. The demand for external touch panels is continuously growing. Recently, Nexio has been focusing their production on mid to large multi-touch screens, which are larger than 40 inches. We visited an education site where Nexio's multi-touch screen technology is actually being used. The school uses an electronic board, which can be used by multi-touch. Students can write English and draw pictures on the touch screen along with their teacher. The multi-touch screens contribute to creating an interesting atmosphere for education.
This sentence, oh Mary, I lost Amy, my daughter.
전자칠판에 좀 무엇일까요?
네, 직접 참여할 수 있어서 재밌고요. 그리고 또 시각적 효과 더 높일 수 있어서 제일 좋은 것 같아요.
집중도 훨씬 잘 되고 재미있어요.
Hold on. We're going to go on to the next one, okay?
This new touch screen has become very useful because it's given the students a chance to interact with English in ways that wasn't possible before. So, yeah, it's very useful.
Nexio is focusing its efforts on overseas marketing. The company has completed distributorship contracts with Europe, Australia, and Japan, and more recently with NATO, to develop and supply multi-monitor touch screens.
이 프로젝트는 군사용 시스템에 적용되는 프로젝트로 하나의 터치 스크린을 다수의 모니터, 즉 예를 들어 19인치 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷 4x4의 샘플이 승인된 상태로 금년 11월 말 또는 12월에 양산 공급이 가능할 것으로 판단하고 있습니다. 본 프로젝트 진행 시 향후 수백만 불의 수주가 예상되며 또한 기타 다른 국가에 군수용으로 판매되어질 수 있는 높은 가능성이 있는 프로젝트입니다.
Nexio's core technology of the IR system multi-point touchscreens is the first of its kind in the world. The company continues to develop multi-touch screen related software and systems, and will also work hard on the development of touch screens, utilizing three-dimensional technology.
순서에 의해서 입각한 터치의 방식이 아닌 동시에 입력을 할 수 있는 터치는 무엇일까 그걸 생각하다가 멀티터치를 개발하게 되었습니다. 멀티터치는 기존에 여러분들이 상상하시던 모든 상상 속의 모든 부분을 다시 인간의 오감에 의해서 촉각 부분을 실현해 줄 수 있는 그런 부분으로 생각하시면 되겠습니다. 이 면적을 가지고 있다는 것은 지금 현재 이 차원에서는 모든 부분을 해결했다는 뜻입니다. 그러면 미래의 터치는 Z축을 하나 세움으로써 영화 마이너리 리포트에서 보듯이 톰 크루즈가 허공에다 대고 이런 터치를 할 수 있는 부분, 이 부분을 할 수 있는 기술의 기초 초석을 다졌다라고 보시면 됩니다. 넥시오는 향후에 터치 회사로서 그와 같은 홀로그램 속에서 동작을 할 수 있는 터치를 만들고자 하고 그곳의 리더로서 존재하리라고 보고 있습니다.
The multi-point touch is the meeting point for the digital and the analog. As a company with the core multi-touch technology, Nexio will continue to introduce humanistic technology with warmth.
Apple's iPhone, which proved to be such a worldwide mega hit, has formed a user-oriented interface based on multi-touch technologies. This fact alone shows us how multi-touch technology is leading the global touchscreen industry. We look forward to seeing Nexio become the next leader of the industry with its innovative technology. Find out everything you want to know about investment in Korea in Invest Korea. Any questions? Visit our homepage at www.arirang.co.kr. In downtown Seoul, there's a frenzy of restoration going on. After the redevelopment of Seoul Main Station, now City Hall is being preserved beneath a modern glory of glass, which, when completed, will house the Metro government's administration. At the same time, National Treasure Namdaemun, or South Gate, will be rebuilt, and the Royal Palace Gate at Gwanghwamun is being re-erected in a new alignment. Even the statue of hero Admiral Lee Sung-shin is getting a clean-up. Come and see the old and the new happily coexisting side by side. I'll be back next week. Goodbye.